Slow down, take a moment, let the mirror speak. Every strand tells a story, soft but deep. Hands moving gently, no rush tonight. Beauty is patience, beauty is time. Every twist, every line you create is a quiet reminder you're doing great. No pressure, no noise, just care and grace. Let calm live here in this space. It's not just hair, it's love you see in every part, in every detail carefully. What you touch, you shape, you grow. Confidence starting slow. Let it flow, let it shine, let it stay. Simple beauty, day by day. From little dreams to grown up glow. This is care you can feel. This is beauty, you know. No rush, no fear, just gentle hands. Magic happens when you understand. Let it last, let it breathe, let it be. This is beauty done patiently. Morning light or evening calm, same soft hands, same healing balm. Styles may change, years may go, but care like this will always show. Need today, strong tomorrow. Less stress, less tears, less sorrow. This is how confidence begins, quietly built deep within. Every look tells a quiet truth. Beauty lives in care, not proof. What you give returns somehow, not later. Now let it flow, let it shine, let it stay. Simple beauty, day by day. From little dreams to grown up glow. This is care you can feel. This is beauty, you know. No rush, no fear, just gentle hands. Magic happens when you understand. Let it last, let it breathe, let it be. This is beauty.